In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Ultimate Epic Battle Simulator 2 on your PC. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Once you have done this, we can search up this game at Steam and then we can continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So what we need to do, search up the Steam website, don't waste too much time on it because we are not going to buy it over here. And after that, search up the game Ultimate Epic Battle Simulator 2. Select the game. Once you have done that, scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is quite expensive on Steam. €16.79. But don't worry, we got a workaround for this. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. After that, you will be redirected to this webpage and we can search up the game again. Ultimate Epic Battle Simulator 2. Now once you have done this, then you can select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Now as you can see, we have a PC version over here of this game and this text is marked green. So this game can be activated in our country. This is very important. Once you have found a version which can be activated and is for PC, then you can select the game. Select the game and now you are opening the game page. And as you can see, the price of this game is just €8.39 compared to the Steam price of €16.79. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now, if you purchase this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.